The following is a Hennessy Hendo production. It includes excerpts and material from my vast collection of books and general knowledge. My collection spans many centuries and millennia. I upload as I have time, but the sheer volume is just so immense. It would do the people of the world good to listen to some actual classics or educate themselves on all manner of topics from fictional books to philosophy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.
The First Amendment to the United States Constitution, ratified on December 15, 1791, as part of the Bill of Rights, protects fundamental freedoms essential to a democratic society. It reads, "Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances." 1. Freedom of religion. A. Establishment Clause. Text. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion. Purpose. Prevents the government from establishing an official religion or favoring one religion over another. Key issues. Separation of church and state. Rooted in Thomas Jefferson's interpretation, this clause ensures government neutrality toward religion. Notable cases: Engel v. Vitale, 1962. Prohibited state-sponsored prayer in public schools. Lehman v. Kurtzman, 1971. Established the Lemon Test to evaluate laws' compliance with the Establishment Clause. Laws must have a secular purpose, not advance, inhibit religion, and avoid excessive entanglement with religion. B. Free Exercise Clause. Text. Or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Purpose. Protects individuals' rights to practice their religion freely without government interference, as long as it doesn't violate public safety or order. Key issues. Balancing religious freedom with other societal interests. Notable cases: Wisconsin versus Yoder, 1972. Exempted Amish children from compulsory school attendance due to religious beliefs. Employment Division versus Smith, 1990. Restricted religious exemptions from generally applicable laws. 2. Freedom of speech. Text. Or abridging the freedom of speech. Purpose. Ensures individuals can express their opinions without government censorship. Scope. Protects a wide range of speech, including unpopular or offensive opinions. Exceptions include incitement to violence, obscenity, defamation, and speech posing a clear and present danger. Key issues. Content-neutral restrictions. Time, place, and manner restrictions are permissible as long as they don't target the content of speech. Symbolic speech includes non-verbal expression like flag burning, Texas versus Johnson, 1989. Notable cases: Schenck v. United States, 1919, introduced the clear and present danger test. Brandenburg versus Ohio, 1969, refined speech restrictions to only those inciting imminent lawless action. 3. Freedom of the press. Text. Or of the press. Purpose. Protects the ability of the press to publish information and opinions without government interference. Scope. Covers newspapers, books, magazines, and more recently, digital and online platforms. Protects investigative journalism and whistleblowing efforts. Key issues. Balancing national security and free press. New York Times, Company v. United States, 1971, Pentagon Papers case. Liability for defamation. New York Times, Company v. Sullivan, 1964, established actual malice standard. Notable cases: Nearville, Minnesota, 1931, prohibited prior restraints, government censorship before publication. New York Times, Company v. Sullivan, 1964, shielded press from frivolous libel suits by public officials. 4. Right to assemble. Text. The right of the people peaceably to assemble. Purpose. protects the right to gather in groups for protests, demonstrations, and public meetings. Scope: assemblies must be peaceful. Violent protests or riots are not protected. The government can impose reasonable time, place, and manner restrictions, but cannot prohibit assemblies based on content. Notable cases: De Jonge v. Oregon, 1937. Reinforced the right to assemble for lawful discussions, including Communist Party meetings. NAACP v. Alabama, 1958. Protected anonymity of membership lists for advocacy organizations. 5. Right to petition. Text: and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Purpose: allows individuals and groups to appeal to the government to address issues, propose laws, or challenge policies. Scope: includes lobbying, petitioning legislators, and filing lawsuits. Protects peaceful attempts to influence public policy without fear of retaliation. Notable cases: Edwards v. South Carolina, 1963. Affirmed the right to protest peacefully on public property without undue interference. Incorporation doctrine. Initially, the First Amendment applied only to the federal government. Through the 14th Amendment, most provisions now apply to state governments as well, e.g. Gitlow v. New York, 1925. Conclusion: the First Amendment remains a cornerstone of American democracy, safeguarding essential freedoms that empower individuals to speak, believe, and act freely while holding the government accountable. Its interpretation evolves with societal changes, ensuring its relevance in modern contexts. Thank you for watching. Please share the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Check out other series including 10-minute synopses or complete audiobooks on Hennessy Hendo on YouTube. Improve your vocabulary. Be more fun at parties. Increase your knowledge. Become a literary master like Hendo.